Hello, my name is Sophia, a purchasing manager from CYM Chain Supermarket. My company located in Switzerland, which is the bigger chain supermarket, actually the second largest in our country. Recently, according to the analysis, we found the category bags and luggage sold well both online and offline. So we plan to expand this kind of traveling products. So where does your company locate?
Our company located in Pinghu City, Zhejiang Province, China, which is very near to Shanghai. And we have more than 20 years professional experience in producing luggage and other traveling products.
Have you had any experience about developing products for company like us, a supermarket?
Well, yes, we have successful experience. Lidl and Aldi are the two big retailers in Germany, and we have cooperated them for many years. For now, the products we provide is sold well in their markets.
How many workers do you have? What about your production capacity?
There are around 1,200 workers in the headquartered factory, and with the monthly production capacity 500,000 pieces.
Do you know anything about SR audit and FQA audit?
Sure, I know it quite well because our factory was required by some of our customers to conduct the SR and the FQA audit every year. And basically, we passed these audits smoothly.
Do you have a product development capability?
Yes, R&D is a strong point of our company. And we have a sophisticated R&D center in Pinghu City, and we have the designers for the hard side luggage, soft side, and backpacks respectively.
What about your MOQ and what about the lead time?
Our MOQ is 500 per SKU or a 40-feet container for the trial order. And for the new order, the lead time is 60 days to 75 days. For the repeat order is 45 days to 60 days.
Okay, great. Let's communicate further next time.
Okay, thank you, and hope to cooperate with you further.